song for a Friday. All right, you got a rip in your pants, send it back. Worn out shoes, just return them. Just not satisfied with your watch anymore? Refund. We're checking out goods that are guaranteed for life, and here with the details is lifestyle editor of Women's World and our friend Stephanie Palmer. Welcome back to the show.
Thanks for
I love this because these are companies that really stand by their guarantee and their product.
And absolutely. You know, at Women's World, we always want good value for our readers, and everything you see today, all of these companies 100% guarantee everything they make for life.
Anytime. That's what we said, for life. So you've compiled a list of companies that guarantee their goods for life. Let's start off with this right here. This is Eddie Bauer, a nice American company right there. Their motto is?
Guaranteed, period.
Yeah, the customer's always right.
So basically, anything they make, and they also carry things from other brands.
Really?
Yes. So if you, at some point, decide, you know, I don't like this anymore, it didn't work the way I wanted it to, or, you know, you just want to return it, you can at any time and get full refund.
I love that. That's their guarantee. You're going to get full refund on anything from bags to shoes to belt to gloves, you name it, they'll do it. The next company we like, and you voted on, is Eagle Creek?
Yes, Eagle Creek. And Eagle Creek is a company that's known for their travel and packing goods. So they have like rolling suitcases, handbags, train cases, things that are really built to stand up to traveling and like putting in the security checks, and they're not going to break. But they say if they do break at any time, they will 100% replace anything for free.
They have a no matter what guarantee.
No matter what.
I'm digging that.
Yeah.
So if you've got luggage, which you know you're going to bang up and take to the airports, I mean, it's definitely worth to look in. Next, this is a company that I have returned stuff, I don't know, 2 years down the line, something happened. They have guaranteed it. We're talking about Land's End. Land's End, right here.
Land's End. Land's End, another company just like that. They are amazing. I actually have a story about this one.
Okay.
They sold a new, like a London taxi, the little black taxi. It was on their holiday catalog in 1984.
Okay.
A woman from Kansas bought it for $19,000 for her husband.
Okay.
He returned it 21 years later and got a full refund.
Of that $19,000? Of
the $19,000.
So whenever, whatever?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
They will take it back. So,
Land's
you know.
End? Love you.
Yeah.
Love you. Love you. You're a great American company.
They
and
are.
it is a great American country, isn't it, too, by the way? Let's talk about Tervis right here.
So Tervis is a tumbler company, and these are really well made. You can't crack them, chip them, break them. You can
hot or cold,
them.
Right?
Both, hot or cold. And so their guarantee is even no matter what you do, if something happens, they'll replace it. They don't think it's going to break, but if it does, at any point, they'll give you a new one. You
know what I love it, too? You can see it right here. I don't know if you can zoom in right here on mine. It says made in the USA, and that's what all these companies are, made in the USA. We love products like that because we're supporting our country and our workers here. So love it, love it. Next, let's talk about this next company, which I just kind of alluded to. You know, we've got LL Bean.
Yes. And LL Bean does 100% satisfaction guarantee. LL Bean was actually a real person, and back in the day in 1916 he had a sign on his first store that said he doesn't consider a sale complete until goods are worn out and the customer is still satisfied.
I love it. I love it. Lastly is Orvis. Tell us about that.
Orvis is another company that's known for like adventure gear, but they've also moved into like really cute fashion. They've been around, they've had 150 years of a guarantee. So whether you get a scarf, a watch, if you don't like it in 10, 20, 30 years, you can send it back.
Stephanie, thank you so much for coming in. For more items that are guaranteed for life, check out the latest issue of Women's World magazine. And for a buyer's guide to all these items, log on our website, pix11.com. Chris.
All right.